No need. Because of all the diet sugar it has to filter through.
Well, I do wonder yourself.
So you look like you're constantly post-workout. Yeah. Well, what's your sitting CK? You don't know? Because that's the thing we measure for myopathy.
Yeah, I don't know.
We see all the time. If it's under 500, I would think it's worse. Oh, hey. North American League of Legends is played in LA on Saturday, Sunday, so I might go watch one of those live afterwards.
That would be cool, yeah, we can.